Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by unlinking and stopping sync so files don't change mid-process. First, open the OneDrive tray icon and choose Settings, then Account, unlink this PC. Once done, right-click the tray icon and close OneDrive to stop the app. Now open an elevated PowerShell window by right-clicking Start and selecting Windows PowerShell, Admin. This gives you permission to uninstall and remove system entries cleanly, so make sure you run as administrator before continuing. You will remove the application and its core files. If available, go to Settings Apps Microsoft OneDrive and uninstall. Otherwise, in the admin PowerShell, run the OneDrive Setup Uninstall command for your build. Once the app is gone, delete leftover folders in %localappdata% and in your user profile's OneDrive folder to free space. For managed or domain machines, open Group Policy Editor and disable OneDrive for file storage so it doesn't reinstall. Finish by cleaning startup and registry traces and then verify. Open Task Scheduler and remove any OneDrive tasks and disable any OneDrive entries in Task Manager Startup. If comfortable, remove leftover registry keys under HKLM/software/Microsoft/OneDrive and HKCU equivalents. Backup the registry first. Reboot the PC and confirm no OneDrive process, no tray icon, and no OneDrive folder in your profile. If something goes wrong, restore the registry backup and reinstall OneDrive to reset settings, then repeat removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.